Yeah, whenever you're ready, but I want to keep it under 5 minutes, but that I'll put up to my YouTube. So guys, bearing in mind we're live filming here, hopefully I'll get it on my YouTube so you can watch it for reference. Right, in this vial here, are we filming? Mm-hmm. Great. In this vial here we have chlorine gas. Hopefully you can see that it's slightly yellow. Can you see that? Slightly yellow? Yeah?
Yeah.
The halogens are, or they can become gas very quickly. Chlorine gas. Fluorine is above chlorine in the group. It's very, very reactive, so we can't get it. Chlorine we can. Yes? Does anyone know about chlorine gas?
You put it in pools.
In?
Pools, like swimming pools.
Right, okay, yeah, it was used in war crimes basically, wasn't it, to kill lots of people?
That's what I meant.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah? So it's very, very poisonous, hence why I need to switch the fan on. Glad I remembered. So we've got some chlorine gas in there. The halogens, guys, are very reactive and they're toxic, they can be, and they have an array of colours. Yeah, we'll look at the specific colours in a bit. Yeah? Now, we should know, or we may know, that they're in group 7, which means that they have 7 electrons in the outside shell. 7 electrons in the outside shell. This is sodium. This is sodium. We looked at this before, right? Sodium, what group?
You alright?
What group is sodium?
I don't know.
1. Yes, wonderful. That means it has 1 electron in the outside shell. That means it has 1 electron in the outside shell. Now what sodium likes to do is it likes to lose that 1 so it can have a full outside shell. Yep. Chlorine has 7 in the outside and it wants 8. I don't know, have we studied this yet? No? Yeah. It will become clear, don't worry. Chlorine wants to grab sodium's electron and it does that. Boom. And it makes salt. And it does that quite violently. Hopefully we'll see that in a second. Now, we know that sodium is stored in oil to stop it reacting with water. So I'm going to just dry it off there. Put that back on there. Did I turn the lights on? So that's going to go there. I'm going to dry the sodium. You okay? Yes. Good. I'm going to dry the sodium off so we get a nice reaction, and to set it on fire I'm going to add water to it, or to get it hot enough to react with the chlorine I'm going to add some water to it. You can heat it with the Bunsen to get it going, but I tried it yesterday and I thought water worked best. So let's just dry that off. I should be wearing gloves actually, everybody, FYI, because what I don't want to do is touch the sodium with my hand and have a bit of moisture on my hand and burn my hand. Yeah? So just dry that off. So when we react a group 1 metal with a halogen, we form salt. We've got sodium and chlorine. So what kind of salt are we going to get?
Sodium chloride.
Sodium chloride, which is the sort of table salt that we know and love, right guys?
Yeah.
Do you agree? Yeah? So that's going to go on the little brick there, like so, and hopefully it's dried enough. Yeah? We're going to put a little drop of water on it and it's going to start fizzing, and its exothermic reaction will get a bit of heat. What I'm then going to do really quickly is tip the chlorine gas over it, and hopefully we'll get a reaction, and there'll be enough heat to get it going, and we'll get sodium plus chlorine, salt, and then we'll see the salt. Yeah? And in theory we should be able to go and eat the salt and taste it. Yeah? Even though we're touching something very dangerous and something dangerous, 2 very dangerous things come together to make something that we can eat. Isn't that crazy? It's crazy to me anyway. Okay, should we have a go? See if it works? Yeah?
No.
Remember, this is live and science doesn't always work, so let's see what we can do. So there's our water.
Oh.
Okay, that's working quite nicely. You see it went up quite yellowy there. That was the sodium, it burns quite yellowy. It's still going, it's reacting with the chlorine. You want to taste the salt after?
Yeah.
We're not allowed.
Oh, it's disappointing.
I know.
Can I eat it outside the lab?
We'll see how much we get. My first ever, when I was a trainee teacher, my chemistry teacher did this for me, and he was able to collect the salt. It kind of collected around there, and he literally ran his finger around it, and he just went, licked it, and I was like,
What a guy.
okay, I want to be a chemistry teacher. So that's reacted there. It did go up quite nicely. If you YouTube stuff, you will see better reactions and longer ones. But that was okay. That was okay for us. I think we can stop the video now,
All right.
guys, if you want.